Well, particularly if you bowl with width. Bad narrative.
Well, you're talking about his age. He's a novice at this level, and the captain should know how to use him properly. Once, with the new ball, a short third man is given to a right. He adjusted his length, dragged it back, looked potent. I think he has to. He has to adjust his line. Back of the length.
And then he bowls a good length and gets treated with disdain. Oh, this is a very...
for that.
Shot boy, none better than that. He's
not afford to be predictable. Thinking has to be changed here.
Oh, pounding heart. Not in. Oh my word, that's a power strike. Oh, Dominic caught quickly. Where's the ball now? Two.
Full and wide. He's got to go full and wide.
Oh, well, he does. And it zips off the edge. It's a full banger. They put on 50 together. There's 22 off the over. It's 5.